Hello and welcome to the Ken Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition, we're looking at domestic violence hearings and the unreported case where the appellate court determined domestic violence hearings could be heard via Zoom. The name of the case, they use initials in domestic violence cases, so it's R.M.M. versus E.S.M. Here, the defendant appealed the final restraining order against him. Plaintiff received a TRO based upon sexual assault and was awarded primary physical custody of the party's sons and temporary possession of the marital house. She later amended the TRO complaint to include defendant's controlling behavior and his refusal to return children to her custody. The trial court conducted a Zoom hearing. Defendant's counsel objected. The plaintiff testified she went to meet a friend. Defendant followed her. They had words and she headed home. Then they argued at home. Defendant called her names, took her purse, and she went to bed. His controlling behavior continued. He smashed up the kitchen while she was folding laundry and did not return her purse. She reported defendant to police and alleged he monitored her via video camera in the home and tracked her phone. The defendant here declined to testify. The judge found the plaintiff credible. The defendant then appeals. The defendant argued due process violations. His attorney was not claiming his attorney was not able to conduct a meaningful cross-examination via Zoom and had sought an in-person hearing. The appellate court was not persuaded. The trial judge's credibility determinations were not tainted by the Zoom format, and his factual findings were supported by substantial evidence. So that's the unreported case of R.M.M. versus E.S.M. docket A-0441-21. For more information on domestic violence cases and possible defenses, visit website njlaws.com and website benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. And for representation, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.